This is how you convert a binary value into a decimal value. Each bit of binary is represented by a single value, which can be represented by a 0 or a 1 to tell you if that bit is in use for a specific number. To convert these 1s and 0s into decimal value, we have to first determine which bits are being used and which bits are not being used. In this specific example, we have the 2 to the first, the 2 to the second, and the 2 to the fourth bits being used. We then have to determine the value of these bits, which would be 2, 4, and 16. Once we have determined which bits are being used and the values of the bits used, all we have to do is add the used bits values together. The decimal answer is 22 for this binary number because 2 plus 4 plus 16 adds up together to be 22. So therefore 22 is the decimal value for this binary number. How to convert a hexadecimal value into a binary value. Converting hexadecimal to binary is easy because each digit or letter of a hexadecimal represents 4 bits. Since there are 15 possible numbers in 4 bits and a hexadecimal is represented by one digit or letter, the numbers 1 through 9 are represented with the same number, and the numbers 10 through 15 are represented with letters starting with 10 as A, and so on. In this example, we will have the hexadecimal 9b. To convert this into binary, we will first have to figure out the binary for each individual hexadecimal. The 9 correlates to the number 9 in binary, which would have the fourth and first bit turned on. And the B would correlate to the number 11 in binary, which would have the first, second, and fourth bits turned on. Now, once you have the two separate hexadecimals, you combine them to make a full byte. And then once you have this full byte, you would then use your knowledge of converting a binary value into a decimal value to get the final decimal value.